This is the Oukitel C21 Pro, a new smartphone from Oukitel with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, MediaTek 6762, Android 11, a 4000 mAh battery, a 6.39-inch display, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's open this up. Alright, so far, ooh, I'm liking the design on this one. Nice glass back we got over here. Doesn't feel like the strongest type of glass, but I do like this design. Like, we got like a squared off. Basically, this is basically copying the iPhone 12, and it's not really a bad thing. I actually like this design a lot. In the box, we have our SIM ejector tool, our Type-C cable, and our charging brick. And first impressions, wow, the display looks absolutely stunning. So, even the punch hole looks great. So let me set this up real quick and get back to you. Alright, so our fingerprint sensor is over here on the side. Let's set this up real quick. There you go. So here we go, the phone is all set up. The display is looking pretty good. The bezels look amazing except for the bottom chin, but it's not that big. And the punch hole itself is looking good as well. We don't have that issue that we had with older phones where it would be like black around the punch hole of the LCD displays, but this phone doesn't have that issue, surprisingly. So first up, we're gonna test the fingerprint sensor. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's start the face unlock now. Alright, so the fingerprint unlock and face unlock, they're both pretty decent actually. Oh, forgot to turn off ads. Oh my god, so why is it so... It's still lagging. Okay, forget that fit. So Wind Rider, it's... Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh, there you go. Sometimes it just needs to settle. Nope, it's still pretty bad. Okay, one more time. See if it's any difference. Not really, to be honest. I mean, it's playable like this, but the frame rate is pretty low. It's stuttering. It's not really that enjoyable. Like, I wouldn't play this game on this phone. Okay, so right off the bat, it's running pretty decently. Let's double check our graphics. So I downloaded the high graphics pack. Let's do... Okay, we don't have HD. Let's just do balanced. Okay, it's kind of stuttering. What? Okay, there you go. Okay, so the game was stuttering at first, but after a few seconds, it's perfectly fine now. If it still continues to stutter, you can always download the low graphics pack and get better performance from this game on this phone. But overall, this game on the high graphics pack, it runs pretty good. Okay, so the speaker, it doesn't get the loudest, but the quality is pretty impressive, and there's no distortion or any other issues that I've seen with the speaker. For the price, it's perfectly decent. You even have a headphone jack if you want to use it. Okay, rear-facing camera is an impressive 21 megapixels. Front camera is 8 megapixels. Rear video is Full HD. Front video is also Full HD. So yeah, let's take our first selfie. Let me fix my hair. It looks really bad for some reason. Let's go outside. Rear facing video on the Oukitel C21 Pro. Actually, it's okay. When you tap on the screen, it focuses. So yeah, it's good. Front facing video on the Oukitel C21 Pro. Let me know what you think. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? And for the price, I think it's definitely worth it. We have a good display, good speaker, good design quality, good battery life, decent cameras. This one does a lot for what you're selling it for. So yeah, I do think this phone is worth it. How long it will last, that I cannot answer. So yeah, anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Can't promise an answer though. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.